Are you committed in your business, or are you just interested in doing business? Because most people, I was talking to a friend yesterday, and what he told me was actual nugget of information. Most people go and say, you know what, I would love to be a restaurant owner. You know what, 20 years ago I was a waiter and I would love to own my own restaurant. But they had no clue how to do business. They knew how to be an entrepreneur by example of what they had actually done in their life. But to actually do the business part of it, it takes skills. It takes learning new ideas, new procedures, creating social media, marketing. Tracking your numbers is the biggest thing within your business, is tracking your numbers. Most people are just paying their bills, paying their employees, going through life without actually tracking their numbers. If you want to know exactly how to do this, how to be a successful business owner, is tracking your numbers. Once I figured out that was the key for my success, I tell you, life changed for me 100%. Once I learned how to track my numbers. So take that bit of information, of nugget of information, and change your way you do business in your life. So everybody have a great day. Create abundance in your life. Have a great day. Bye-bye.